Guys, the top producing real estate agents know every objection in the book. From we're going to wait to list our home, all the way to let me talk to my wife. Guys, these objections are not new, and as real estate agents, you are likely to hear them every single day. The only thing separating good agents from the great agents is the habit for pushing for a yes, when good agents, most agents, settle for a no and move on to the next lead after an objection, right? So as we all know, it takes time. It takes time to build a habit. Maneuvering through tough objections and overcoming rejection takes time too. So here's the thing though, exposing yourself to the pain of objection and rejection is the best way and maybe the only way to overcome the fear of rejection and becoming a great agent. So let me ask you this question. How can you effectively expose yourself to rejection while putting the nerves and fears behind you? Comment below and let me know.